Hiya folks, we're going to do some 3D printing today. I've never done any articulated things. Definitely not this complicated. So I picked the Gloom's Worn Articulated Dragon. Is that the guy's name? No, by HoloMaker. I think that, yep, HoloMaker there. He's got tons of likes. I'm sure the files are fine. I picked number 2 here, and I already put it in our studio, but I had to change some colors. Okay, I don't think I want to do this whole thing in 3 colors just to add a iris in the eyeball. So we're going to slice the plate. I did an experiment of this, and this is what we got. Terrible. It slid all over, and I was right there. I was in the house when this thing lost it, and it still was this bad. Slicky plate. You guys have been telling me how to clean it. So I cleaned the plate this time. We're going to see how it goes. We're going to pick 2 colors this time, though. I got the AMS feeder. I just did default settings. You can see here, it's slicing right now. We're 25%. And I didn't change anything. Strength, speed, support, others. I just went with the defaults. However, the designer, HoloMaker, sent it over. But I am going to change the colors. We're at 35% now. Big mouse. See it? 50%. There it goes. There's even a progress bar up here. If you can see that. We'll do that a little bit. Whoop. Look at there. Progress bar. I don't have a whole studio for filming, so you guys get the camera on my phone. So I changed the default colors that he gave to us to what I have in my AMS. And I'm going to change even one more. So right now it's 3 colors. But I'm going to do even one more. I'm going to hit print plate. I'm going to change the gray to white. And that should just make it 2 colors. So I'll have white eyes. I'll paint an iris in there. Okay. I don't have anything, negative to say about the maker, about the designer. Okay. These files just tend to go great all the time. But for me, sometimes I don't want to get 80% of this thing done and then it fails on the horns or something. So I'll change the colors to maybe 1 color or 2 color. And I can paint little things in if I feel like it. We're all modelers. We're all hobbyists. We have paint and paint brushes. But look at what you can do with this. If you've got the, what is this called? The gradient filament. Just looks wonderful. There's rainbow filament. Single color. Oh, yeah, so he has a plate with single color. This is going to take a long time, you guys. But I'm here for it. I'm here for you. That's what I truly mean to say. This will be cool. My cousin said that he printed an articulated dragon of some sort like this, and that his son took it to school and sold it for money. Can you do that? I don't know. You tell me. Put it down in the comments. You guys sell your 3D prints. I think for myself personally, I think the designs are worth a lot. So I want to understand all of the 3D printing software fully, like I do with Adobe products. I've been working as a graphic artist for 25 years, and I have all the software down. So I want to get to the level where I can design things like this in the software. And then you sell the file. So guy needs a Teflon printed part for his car, or just something to make a mold. And again, I'm going to say for his automobile or his motorcycle. That's my favorite thing, is vehicles or rubber components. You know, my Triumph had such crappy rubber on it, it degraded in less than a year. Just being out, being washed. It's that great British rubber chemical they use. And it's just, you know, little things that held on the fuse block or a relay. Completely degraded, deteriorated. Like an old rubber band in your junk drawer. So I'd like to get in on that. I'll print some stuff, you know, if I design something and it's complex and the client pays me money, you know, I'll print the thing, get some carbon filament, get some rubber filament from bamboo, and start making the monies. Look at that. Additional adhesive for the print bed is highly recommended. Yep. That's what you get if you don't. Hey, we're going to try this one. I'm going to go for it. I cleaned it. I've got a textured plate. I'm going to see if this thing wants to print. Look at this. See, I just got to do a little research. Do you want to sell my printed designs? Patron now offers commercial license for only $7.99. You'll receive Crystal Blade Dragon, exclusive Poison Spike Snake, and you pay him for the files, and I guess you go out there and 3D print these, find out how much filament you're going to use, what the market will bear, and sell things at the craft fair. Totally worth it, right? Really cool looking. Good for that guy. Hollow Maker. Just, I love it. No supports needed. Print in place. Big and bold. He even writes, it's got lore. There's even lore. The Gloomsworm Dragon is a creature of the night, feared for its ability to manipulate darkness itself, wrapping the world in an inescapable gloom. Whoa, scary. And we're going to print this thing. We're going to welcome it into my house. I don't know. All right, I'm going to let this spool up. And I'll make a time-lapse video. That's one of my favorite things, too. Put a time-lapse video in this video. And then, fingers crossed. There. Everything prints okay. And we'll get to play with this thing. We're not going to rate it or anything like that. He's got enough ratings. You can rate things and boost items just to be, you know, a positive member of the community, right? I'll give it a like right now. Whoops. There. Like. Lots of comments. It's just a great community to be a part of. All right. Oh, here we go. The time-lapse video is going to start. My heat bed is printing up. Downloading. Gloomsworm Gloom's Worn Dragon, a worm dragon. Articulated dragon. Printing process. I'll turn this video on and we'll time lapse it. Oh, when I click it when it's downloading, it says printer is busy downloading. Please wait. All right, I'll start the time lapse. Be back in a bit. Okay, we are back. It's all printed. I didn't let it print overnight at all. This is hot off the press. Look at that dragon. And you know everyone's favorite part? Twist up on the plate like this. Oh yeah. No, it's cooled off. It's not sticky anymore. Let's pull this guy off. Well, that's pretty cool. That's great. Do I have to keep it alive? Oh, come on, little guy. Yeah, I'm going to paint some pupils on that. What a great printout. Oh, what's going on with his foot? What in the foot? All right, all right. You guys, I admit, I have to clean the plate here. I get it. I get it. I'll do it. So look, this design is just a 10 out of 10. I didn't do anything. The pieces aren't clicking together. It is a wonderful, wonderful design. Okay, hold on. I'm going to go upstairs. Now let's do it right here. We're downstairs in the studio. I love it. Highly recommend this printout. That is wonderful. Now, did I do it right? Probably not. It's probably something weird with my settings in there. See how it kind of laid down at the end there? Got a little nub. That is 100% user error. That's on me, you guys. But this design of this little dragon, just superior. Look at that guy. Highly recommend it. Go to Maker World. Check it out. The link is below. I'll put some pupils in there. Maybe put a heat gun to that. Sharpen up the little ears. Look at that. I attack you. What a great thing. This would make a great fidget toy, to be honest. I wouldn't print this out for your 3-year-old. In fact, I'd say 8 years old or older for something like this. Because the first thing a 5-year-old's going to do is take this, swing it behind his head, whip it. It didn't break. It didn't break. All right. That was fun. Join me tomorrow for another 3D print adventure. Love you. Bye.